In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a budget in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or simply someone looking to manage finances more effectively, setting up a budget in QuickBooks is a straightforward process. Let's dive into it and I'll guide you step by step to ensure you can do it efficiently and confidently. First things first, begin by signing into your account. You'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. Once you're there, you should click on the Sign In button, which will bring you to a new page where you'll be prompted to choose which QuickBooks service you're looking to access. Go ahead and select QuickBooks Online. Don't forget, if you're managing multiple accounts, this helps ensure you're entering information in the right place. Next, you'll type in your login credentials, your username and password, and click on Continue to proceed. It's crucial to ensure your login details are correct, as any errors here might stop you from moving forward. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the QuickBooks Online homepage. From here, we'll navigate to the Budgets section. This section can be found by looking for the Budgets tab. Clicking on this tab will take you directly to the section where you can see all your budget-related activities. In the Budgets area, locate the Create Budget option. Clicking this will open up the Budget Creation tool, which is the heart of today's tutorial. As you step into the budget creation process, you'll be asked to make a few choices about the type of budget you want to create. After reviewing your options and making your selection, you'll click on Next to proceed. Now comes one of the most important parts, filling in the budget data. Here you're going to enter the specific financial information you want to track over the coming months. This might include funds allocated for expenses, projected incomes, and other financial metrics pertinent to your business or personal finance goals. Take your time here to ensure all figures are entered accurately. The more precise your data, the more effective your budget will be in managing your finances. Once all the data is in, give it a thorough review to double check everything looks just right. You wouldn't want tiny mistakes to skew your budget results later on. Satisfied with your inputs and ready to finalize? Great. Go ahead and click on the Save button to secure all the work you've done. And there you have it. You've successfully created a budget in QuickBooks Online, setting the stage for more informed financial decisions and better financial management. By following these steps, you're well on your way to keeping your finances organized and within control. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you'll find your budgeting experience to be much smoother now.